Ever wished you could get paid before your actual payday? You're not alone. But with all these new Get Paid Early apps popping up, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. Today, we're diving deep into Beforepay and answering the burning question, does Beforepay require a bank account? Stick around to find out. Beforepay is one of those apps that's gaining serious traction. It promises to give you instant access to your earned wages, which sounds amazing, right? Imagine getting that extra cash boost when you need it most, to cover an unexpected expense, treat yourself, or simply to bridge the gap between paychecks. But here's the thing, many of these Get Paid Early services have specific requirements. And a big one for many users is whether or not you need a bank account to even use the app. Addressing the main question. So, the short answer is yes, Beforepay does require a bank account. Think of it this way, Beforepay needs a way to actually deposit your earned wages into your hands. Your bank account is the primary vehicle for that. Here's a bit more detail. How it works, Beforepay typically connects directly to your employer's payroll system. The role of your bank account, when you use Beforepay to access your earned wages, the funds are usually transferred directly to your linked bank account. Important note, while a bank account is essential for using Beforepay, the specific requirements might vary slightly depending on your location and employer. It's always a good idea to check the Beforepay app or their official website for the most up-to-date information. Highlighting potential benefits. Now, you might be wondering why a bank account is necessary when so many things are going cashless these days. Well, here's the deal. Security, bank accounts offer a layer of security and fraud protection. Regulations, many financial regulations require that funds be transferred to a legitimate bank account. Ease of use, direct deposits to your bank account are generally the most efficient and convenient way to receive your earnings. Beyond the bank account. While a bank account is a must-have, there might be other requirements as well. For example, employment verification, Beforepay usually needs to verify your employment status. Payroll integration, your employer needs to be integrated with the Beforepay platform. Finding the right Get Paid Early solution. Beforepay can be a real game changer for managing your finances, but it's not the only option out there. Other Get Paid Early services might have different requirements, so it's worth exploring what's available and finding the best fit for your individual needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.